In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this burgundy bob unit from Temu.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
Hello, welcome to another video. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I am 𝒷𝓁𝒶, and if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. You see me, you know I got another wig for you. Okay, I ordered this wig on Temu, and I was like, you know, is this gonna do? Because I was like, I really don't know, because it didn't have a lot of reviews and it didn't have a lot of sales on this unit. So I was like, girl, go on ahead and order that wig. Just test it out and just see. So I did. Yo, she came in this bag, okay? She came in a bag, not a box. But she did come with two caps. I got one on and there's one left. So yeah, y'all know. Yeah, I reuse my caps. I don't know if a lot of people do that or not, but baby, I do. I recycle. And I am so thankful that they sent me a cap. Your girl is about to use it, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh wait, no, let's not get started. Let me show y'all this unit. looky, she burgundy, and it is a bob. I don't know what, I really don't know why I got a bob. I got a bob mainly because, baby, it's hot outside. If y'all ain't realize, it's hot. Yes, look at the color. This is, ooh. So it is a 12-inch human hair. Ooh, pre-pluck, baby. Them are the best units ever. The ones that are pre-plucked, you ain't gotta do no work. This is the best ever. Get into this unit. Y'all see that? Oh, I'm shocked. Y'all, this right here, this is a good unit. This is a good unit. I'm so happy. But anyway, let's get into the details and the inside of this unit, okay? Oh, baby, she got 3 combs. Oh, she has 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and look at that lace, y'all. Woo, look at that lace. Ooh. There's 1 comb in the back. She has some lace in the back. I ain't gonna be putting this up. Oh, she has a band. Oh my god, this unit. I ain't even gotta put it on to know that it's a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10. I am so pleased. She got layers? Baby, she got layers. Oh, y'all see that? It's short right here. She got layers. This is so soft. Alright, so let's get this stocking cap in order. I'm excited. Excited. I just like less work when it comes to installing a unit. I don't like to do all that hard work and extra work. Like, baby, no, I don't want to do that. Whoa, did I put? I don't even know if I want a side part, if I want a middle part. Like, I'm not even for sure. I ain't even think about it. What I want? A middle part or a side part? It's a bob. I don't know. Alright, so there she go. To put some makeup on the inside, just dab it on her like that. You feel me? She cute. This unit is really cute. I'm really surprised at this. Like, I'm surprised. So I am using my sponge and I am applying my liquid foundation to the back of this unit. Well, to the lace part. And I normally use my lace tint, but y'all, that lace tint is the devil. There she go. She looks good. Let's make sure that she's centered. Most definitely big head friendly. Wait a minute. Do I got this on right? Because baby, this is far back. I don't think I do though. Okay. That's better. Oh, this part is so soft. It's, oh my gosh. See, units like this, I literally love units like this. Mainly because you ain't gotta do no work. I mean, you have to do some type of work, but you are not going to do so much. Oh, let's pin it up. Let's just pin it up. Let's try to get this lace together. I said I wasn't gonna pluck it, but you can really see like the line back, like right here. But I think I'm gonna lay this lace down. I'm gonna lay that down because yeah, that's where we're gonna start it, y'all. I'm gonna go in with my melting spray. I want to make sure. Let me take these glasses off. If y'all ever shop on Temu, baby, get this stuff in the wig because baby, I don't know if y'all know how nail glue smells. That's what this smells like. Anyway, I'm about to lay this down with my band so I can, you know, melt this lace real quick, okay? So I think I left the band on for 10 minutes. I don't be leaving it on long because it really don't take long for this to dry. So I melted this a little bit more. Ouch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a lot of lace right there. Alright, so that looks pretty decent. Okay. Let me part first because I want to see how bad do I need to pluck this mug. Ooh, I need to pluck it real bad. Here, y'all, look at this. You don't see anything. Oh man, that's crazy. I don't want to pluck, but I gotta pluck. And I'm gonna do this off camera. I chose a middle part, but I gotta pluck. It's gonna take forever. Oh. So in order to avoid the plucking, let me do my baby hair. So if I'm doing like a middle part, I think I want to, oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm lazy. I feel like I'm lazy when it comes to this. So I'm about to lay this down. Clearly, y'all don't even see the part. Okay, I pluck as much as I can. I hate plucking, y'all. I don't know if that's gonna do, but I promise you it's gonna do, because I ain't finna do no more. I promise you that, okay? Okay, so let's work with this part, okay? Alright, so let's get this baby hair. I do want some baby hair. I like to use my melting spray on my baby hair because, baby, it lasts me a long time. Do you hear me? Yeah, go. So off camera, I did the sides. Okay, let's get into the details of this unit.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the Freddy. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime.